might have heard from a magazine, I'm the original. I'm the first. I am LG. I'm not new to YouTube, though up to this point I've just been a viewer. One of those quirky little, do I clicky? No, I don't. Do I clicky? No, I don't. You know, the one you want to click on your post because they're going to click again and again and again if they like it. Yeah. But I'm picky, you know. The sexy thumbnails don't get my attention. I want something creative. I want something artistic. I want something that doesn't have boobs in it because, come on, I'm a chick. Hello. I've got my own. And, yeah. Anyway, I really like the idea of video blogging. I blog, and up to this point, all of my rants have, been in text. And I really think that, text rants are great. I mean, I've written some doozers, and I've read some really fantastic rants, but they lose something because you don't have the body language, you don't have the facial expression, you don't get a true sense of the depth of loathing or excitement or naughtiness that might be going into, whatever diatribe it is. Video logging gets that final sense going. You're not just looking at black letters on a white screen, or for those of us that like to get fancy and have the purple letters on the blue screen, or the yellow letters on the pink screen, or whatever. Okay. It just it gives you an actual voice of the author, which I've always thought was a powerful tool. So that I went in on that. I don't care if it's not original, because what goes into the rant, what goes into the diatribe, that will be original. That will be me going, hi, I'm not a sheep, thank you. That's good enough for me. I don't think that those videos that I've seen that are in the I'm better than you and I can prove it by making fun of you genre, I don't think they really get it. But that's okay, because that's their rant, that's their diatribe, that's their originality. Go you, buddy. Somebody's got to be negative. Negative, positive, balance. So, you're like, okay, you've got the good rants, and that's the filet mignon. And you're like, what comes out the other end when the filet is done being processed? You gotta have both ends, right? Right. Anyway, so, I'm LG. I'm really looking forward to jumping into this pool. Shark infested though it might be.